Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove Apple ID suggestion on iPhone and iPad. Let's start the video. To remove Apple ID suggestion, open up the settings menu on iPhone and iPad, then click on Apple ID suggestions under the profile name. Click on the continue button of the first suggestions. Now it will ask you your passcode. Enter the passcode here. So friends, this process may take some time to complete, so please wait until this process completes. Once it is done, then click on the other suggestions in the same way and complete it as well. So friends, you can see that Apple suggestions are now removed from our iPhone. You can also remove suggestions from your iPhone in the same way.